Kaudhi nyime jokanya sekta malimbe county ma Kilifi ochako chendo matiogi dho wedhe mani county no mar ywayo jolimbe. Chendo ma kama geto jotim limbe ma kwan gi romo 1140 ma thoro limo county no ka kwan ni wachore ni piny kapimo gi nyalo malwara nonigo. Ne giloso Malindi kama ne gitime romo gi jokanya sekta malimbe kama ne gole paro makamano. Magi wacho ni biro ywayo jolimbe kama gigeto jotim limbe mawuok e pinje mag Ulaya gi pinje mamoko maoko. Gichano chendo mar loso wedhe kod tuke mag oganda mag jodhowath nam chumbi mabiro ywayo welogo.
Tunataka kuwahusisha katika attraction mpya. Najua tumezoea sana tukikuja tunajitandaza chini ya mnazi kwenye mabeach, lakini tunataka pia mkija next time kando na mnazi, kando na kuwa chini ya mnazi, tunasherehekea muziki mzuri, high quality music, tunajibamba, immerse ourselves in the culture that is here, enjoy, interact, get a bit more about what this beautiful county of ours has to offer. We want to bring you something new, something exciting, something interesting, something captivating, something that connects you with the heart and soul.
This festival will bring people together, join hands, and we're inviting people to have a unique experience in every region in Kilifi County.
We want to create momentum. We want to create awareness for Kilifi's tourism. Kilifi has the richest tourism attractions. Whether you're talking about the beaches, you're talking about history, you're talking about culture, it's all here. The blue economy, it's all here in Kilifi. Agribusiness, we have it all. But have we sold it well? The truth is, no. And therefore, this is the beginning of the new era that is going to transform Kilifi.